Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedra. Now Spice, Skillibeng, Dextadaps and the Cutty Ranks wrecked the 876 at the BET Awards. On Sunday it was all about the award show as Jamaicans tuned in to see the 4 selected Jamaican artists, a part of the Busta Rhymes tribute performance to the late Tina Turner. And although she kind of fumbled through the lyrics at some point, it was still memorable. Plus, African superstar Davido made an impressive BET Awards debut with Hit, of which saw BET Her going to Beyonce for my song You Won't Break My Soul. Young Star Award for Marsai Martin. Video Director of the Year Tiana Taylor. Best Collab Future featuring Drake and Thames. Best Movie Black Panther Wakanda Forever. Best Group Drake and 21 Savage. And the coveted category Best Female Hip Hop Artist went to Lotto, as she took it from a category of A-listers, which included Cardi B and Nicki Minaj. Now, Best Male Hip Hop Award went to Kendrick Lamar. Best Male R&B Pop Artist went to Chris Brown, extending his record for most wins among a male act. Another big one, Album of the Year, went to Beyonce for Renaissance. Congratulations to all the winners and big up Jamaica. Yay! That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedra. Thank you for watching.